Dear students, in this online class, we are going to learn fundamental principles of insurance. The first principle of insurance, utmost good faith. According to this principle, both the parties means the insurer, that is insurance company, and the insured. Insured means the policy owner, means the person who has taken policy from the insurance company. He may be an individual person or it may be any other business organization taken insurance policy from the insurance company. So these two parties should have faith in each other while entering into the insurance contract. That is what about utmost good faith. According to this, both the parties should disclose all relevant, means accurate information at the time of entering into the insurance contract. That is, the insurance contract must be signed by both the parties in an absolute good faith or the trust. That is the first principle. The second one coming about to insurable interest. So the insured must have a insurable interest. That means in this contract, the person getting insured must have insurable interest in the object of insurance. For example, every person has an insurable interest in his own life. Again, we can see one more example in case of business organization. A trader or a merchant has insurable interest in his business of trading. That is what about the second one, insurable interest. The third principle, that is indemnity. That is principle of indemnity or indemnify. According to this principle, the policyholder will be compensated by the insurance company only to the extent of actual loss suffered by the policyholder. That means insurance contract is not made for making profit, else its sole purpose is to give compensation in case of any damage or loss. That is what about indemnity. Next, the fourth one coming about to proximate cause. According to this principle, when a loss is caused by more than one causes, the nearest cause or the reason should be taken into consideration to decide the liability of the insurer. That is the fourth principle, proximate cause. Next one coming about subrogation. Subrogation means the right of insurer to stand in the place of insured. That means when the compensation paid by the insurer to that of policyholder, at that point of time the insurance company will take the property to his custody. That means when the insured is compensated for the losses due to damage to his insured property, then the ownership right of such property shifts to the insurer. That is what about subrogation, principle of subrogation. Next one, contribution. So this principle is applicable when the policyholder, means the insured, taken insurance policies from two or more than two insurance companies on the same subject matter. That is also called as what? Double insurance. So according to this principle, the insured can claim the compensation only to the extent of actual loss, either from all insurers or from any one insurer. If one insurer pays full compensation, then that insurer can claim proportionate claim from the other insurer. That is principle of contribution. Next one, mitigation. That is principle of mitigation of loss. According to this principle of mitigation of loss, the property owner should take necessary steps to minimize the risk. Means he should not show negligence towards his property. That is what about mitigation of loss. Means the insured must always try his level best to minimize the loss of his insured property in case of uncertain events like a fire or blast. These are what about the principles of insurance. That is fundamental principles of insurance. Thank you.